Rob here. Now, this is the health and safety form by the health and safety executive. It's the safety checklist for buildings, users' locations and temporary studios. This is the health and safety form you would have to fill out if you were really going somewhere and filming or you were doing photography. Okay? It is not a health and safety risk assessment, however. Okay? So, what have you got to do? In here, your name, address, telephone number, contact name, at location or premises. That can be, depends where you're filming. Okay? Name of production, that's the name of your short film. All buildings, well, what buildings are you doing this for? Any comments, whatever. And what you've got here is just a risk, like a list of things, right, that could be a problem, right? So, you know, for example, does the building have a fire certificate? Yeah? Well, if it's got a fire certificate, tick it. If it hasn't, cross it, right? Little tricks, obviously, you can cut and paste. So, you know, copy and paste, right? Obviously. Or you can write 2714, press down Alt and then X, and you get a tick. You can write 2716, hold on Alt and press X, and you get a cross. So, useful if you're typing it, right? Right, get this in there. So, you just go through this and you tick it or not tick it, as the case might be. Being finicky about this thing, so I've got to lay out and make it centered, because that's nice and neat now, and that would annoy me. Right, so that's how you do that. You just go through it and you check, is this adequate? Is this okay? Is it not okay? Obviously, you're filming in college, it's all going to be ticks, because frankly, you know, it's college, it's already got the health and safety thing sorted out. But if you're filming in your home, that's something different. Okay? Sign it, date it at the bottom, put it in with all your research and planning. Any questions? You know where I am. Talk to you next time.